What's up, YouTube? If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. Listen, guys, class will be in session today, so I will be busting out the chart. So make sure you keep it locked, okay? Speaking of keeping it locked, make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. I want to say major salute to those of you that sent me screenshots and emails on today that got busy in the market. Okay, remember, we are in a stock market crash, so navigating is going to require you to be a little more sharp. And for those of you that were, coach want to say major salute. Now listen, guys, I'm going to be bringing out the chart momentarily, and what I want to make sure you guys do is make your next $1,000. Okay, let's go ahead and get this brought up. I want you guys to see this is the SPY, continuing yesterday's lesson on the 15-minute time frame. Look at that, up $4.34, because why? We broke 564. So we're gonna get right to it. This line right here, this black line, was 564, and that line was resistance. Okay, and I kept telling you we needed to break that. Until we did, we couldn't go higher. So we started here. Okay, you see this candle right here? That's you. That's where you were at. You are here. You ever been in the mall and you look at that little road map? You were here to start the day. Okay, out the gate we got a power bar, a green one. And guess what it did? Broke resistance. Okay, we got that, and it broke resistance. Okay, once we were able to break resistance, we call it bump and run. I'm an athlete, but it's called the break and retest. So we got up here, and then we came back down. This is the break and retest. Boom, we chopped around, but they showed us initially, when we got to 565, they didn't want us up here. Okay, they didn't want us up here, so we got knocked back down to 564. But then, guys, resistance became support. Okay, and so once we broke it, we came back down. Now this level is your new support. This is why coach is showing you guys this today. Okay, and so what I need you to know is where the next level is at. Why? Because when you know your levels, you can change your life. Next level, let's go ahead and write that in here. Okay, next level, you need to always know your level. Okay, we need to get to 569 to 570. Okay, so look, we at 567 right now. Now all tomorrow when we come down, boom, 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 we got all this room of support. Remember, they can come down too, but all of that is doing is for us to work our way back up so we can come hit the target right here. Okay, 569 to 570 is the target. I need you guys to make your $1,000 this week using what I'm teaching you. Okay, your support, let me write this down. Okay, 569 to 570, that's resistance. All right, we're gonna just put resistance. Your new support will be 564 now to 560. Let me know if you guys see how that works. Okay, listen, man, coach just wanted to bring out the charts, get in my bag, and show you guys where you're headed next, but more importantly, how you make your $100 a day. And for those of you that just buy 1 or 2 more contracts, it's $1,000. Okay, keep the game simple. All right, listen, know your levels. It's important to understand we broke resistance today. Okay, we were getting smacked down every time we came close to 562, 563, and 564. But today, okay, what I always say, they gonna keep knocking, boom, 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 boom. They're going to keep knocking. Today, right out the gate, by 10 o'clock, we brushed through resistance. We cleared 564, like a hurdle. We cleared that hurdle. Okay, now that opens the door for us to go to 569 to 570. Okay, so listen, you welcome the pullback, because now you should know where support at. That level that was such a battle, man, 564, 564. When you see that tomorrow, you know that's your buy zone. You know now when they pull it back down to that level, that's an area of entry. Then you place your stop loss right underneath that, and you let the play cook. You let the play ride towards the level that's ahead, which now, since we got above 564, now we can go to 569 to 570. I'm going to tell you this. The Bears, they're waiting like this. They got like 4 or 5 bodyguards, big 6'9", 380-pound guys waiting to smack it down, okay? So they don't like you at the level of 570. So when you get there, so if you can get it low, you can make a lot more money getting it lower at 564, 565. So when you get to 569, you up $4 or $5, okay? Versus you buying it at 569, it go to 570 and get rejected. It only moved 50 cents when you were in it. If you wait for the pullback by demonstrating patience, you get the best entry, okay? You should have learned that in terms of how the market moved today, okay? You should have learned that, how you've been seeing stocks move throughout your time. Patience is the #1 trait you guys have to implement on a daily basis to begin to consistently dominate this game, but more importantly, to avoid the trick, trap, and frustrate crew, okay? Listen, guys, be in the Discord first thing in the morning. I am going to make sure, I'm going to be adamant about you guys making money off the SPY specifically, but as well as Tesla, okay? Listen, somebody said this today, and I love it. And I didn't highlight all the emails and text messages I got today, but she hit me up and she said, Coach, she said, before I joined the money team, I went back to make sure I mastered everything you say in the Discord as it relates to SPY and Tesla. So she chose the SPY. Guys, that was a profound statement. Some people are trying to make the leap when you can just be mastering every day. You all, I don't care what the market do, we all should be eating off the SPY, okay? It's going to give us opportunities, and some days when it don't, you got to know what's coming the next day, okay? But it's going to give us the type of opportunities that we can learn from, we can hone our skills from, and we can sharpen our sword with, okay? And so Tesla is always going to give you something. You guys just got to be open to the direction. We take what the market give. We don't care if it's an up day or down day. Tesla wanted to go down the first half of the day. Remember, the game is broken up in 4 quarters, like a football and basketball game. It wanted to go down the first and second quarter, halftime, sit around and pout. But then, boom, third and fourth quarter, it took off. Back to the upside, couldn't get above 240. But nevertheless, you had chances to the downside in the morning, upside after 1 o'clock, okay? Know that the market will go in cycles, guys, and figure out what cycle is always taking place when you are trading, okay? Listen, man, I want to see everybody in the Discord first thing in the morning. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. But if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.